Hello guys, and today I will answer a common question: how to use controls on these AirPods Pro 2nd? Let's find out, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to get started, firstly you need to make sure that your earbuds are connected to your phone and that you are wearing them. Now, we can start talking about the controls. Right now I am wearing the left earbud, and on the right one I will show you how the controls work. If we take a close look on the right earbud, you can see this part right here, which is the controller. The controllers on both earbuds are the same and they do the same function. There's no difference in which one you're using it. Let's start with a playback. If you click one time, you can pause or play the song. With a double click, you can skip to the next song, and with a triple click, put on the previous one. Let's test it. Let's try play the song. Put it on pause. Now we can try skip to the next one and put on the previous song. As you can see, it works really good. By the way, with a single click you can answer a phone call. But now let's talk about the volume. By swiping up the controller, you can increase the volume. By swiping down, decrease it. Let's test it. And now, how to switch between transparency mode and noise cancellation. You just need to simply hold the controller until you hear a chime. And the last thing for today is, if you say "Hey Siri," she can perform tasks like playing a song, making a call, or getting directions. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.